Evo, to je crveni Ferrari. To je taj. Yeah, so hi Denis. So you know my car from Croatia, and here is POP POL for Ferrari 275. Ano je 65. 275, 1965 Spider GTS. So one very small walk around for POP POL, and you can show to Dagmar and Mr. Zieber. Oh, okay. No problem. Oh, here I forget to make video of the rear Kofana. So here is the rear. You can see. Everything is brand new, like the rest of the car. You can see, yeah. Okay, super. So this is, now I'm finished. Okay, Dennis, so here I made video of Ferrari 275 GTS. So I'm doing on the floor. So you can see car is fully restored. 6 years. They say that it's the best in Italy. So I can make a video. I hope that you can see all this because it's on the lift. All these sides and the angles of the car. So, you know, when they mount this, you can see it's no any scratch on the black paint. All this, you see, bolts and nuts are not destroyed, like nobody touched them. It's really something special when you see in the live. You can see. So, I don't know what to tell you, but here is the bottom of the engine on the front. A left wheel. You can see every nut and bolt are new. You see new disc brake, everything, every bolt and new. Yeah. Ma dopo restaurazione non funziona, no? Huh? No. See, all these rims are polished, wheels also, and here it's inner fenders. You can see no dust, no rain. So, exhaust. Now it's below the engine. You can see. And now we're going to the right wheel. Frame, exhaust on the right side. All these mountings are new. Mounting on the exhaust. This is original, you know, paint from the factory. So this is clutch. You can see all new. Every pipe, bolt, spring are new. Okay. I'm trying really to make the best I can, but I think you will see very good, very clear. Okay, so this is clutch. Now we're going back. Floors on the right side, if you can see, all new. This is rear differential. When propeller shaft meet him, you can see all these things new, all the mounting new, all bolts new, all the cables new. You see this, all these wires brand new. Believe me, see something like this for a time. I think they told me that it's 6 years in restoration. So you can see all this from the brake, floors, below rocker panels on the right side. Now we're going to the back wheel, handbrake, all these cables new, polish wheel, joint new, calipers all new, or brake lines new, frame like nobody touched it, you see. Tires new. So here is the back of the differential. I will often make picture of the numbers of the differential. I need to ask him. Moment. So you can see everything is brand new. Yeah. This is right side and left before, rear. So this is right rear wheel. Again, all calipers new, all bushing new, rubbers, handbrake, cables. You can see, amazing. You see spots from the deal for the welding from factory. So it's not, I don't know if you can see this. Here they are. You see welding spots from the factory. It's really something special, yeah. And then the floor, all rubber mounting on the exhaust, new exhaust. You see the paint quality, it's abnormal. You know, from here it's original paint, here it's covered original from factory for the, you know, for the stones. So I don't know if you see this good, but it's something special. You see all these rubbers, bolts, everything is new. I don't know if you can see this, but I never see something like this, you know, for a long time. And original, yeah. So now I'm going to make video from the on the side. Yeah. Okay, one video is finished. So then here is interior. You can see the door panels from the front, all rubbers, chrome. You cannot see any scratch. Okay. So all new. You see the paint can paint on the bottom of the door. It's amazing. This is the trim of the rocker panel. You see the plastic white. This is the nylon and the door jamb, brand new. You see the white plastic. Now it's brand new. This is for the door. It's covered steering wheel with the to not be destroyed. See this dashboard. This is all the books, some keys. Here is the you can see. Everything is super clean, all brand new, all original, and soft top frame from inside. You see all chrome, everything. I don't know if I can make good video of this because it's a little bit like, you know, I don't want to do something. It's amazing. See, top chrome mirror, and the other back of the car glass. It's like from the glass. Leather. Shift knob, cigarette, handbrake, interior, all brand new. Look, this where people putting the legs. So this is all brand new. You see this plastic, you see this aluminum. It's no sign of any wear. This is, like I told you, nylon to cover it, because car it's new, brand new. So you see this plastic spots to holding the carpet, all new. Look, all new. Yep. I can do another side right now. Like I told you, it's covered. You see, this is original. It's covered. Okay, the gauges. In the middle, and RPM. Okay, you can see the aluminum, bolts, plastic, everything is brand new. Everything is brand new. Yeah, I covered it. Yeah, so here is the you can see original steering wheel from the wood. No signs of any scratch or anything. Brand new. So here is again the same, everything new, covered with nylon. This is footrest, brand new, for high and low light. You see this all chrome, it's new. You see nobody touched this, nobody touched this. And for the gas, handbrake, leather, smells like you are in the shoe factory. All brand new. I think then is you see the quality of the car. See, all these are straight, no sign you see of the waves. It's immaculate. See, all this rubber chrome, you see. I don't know if you see on the video good, but it's better than new. Rubbers, you see, all new. You see, like nobody touched it. So no sign of any imperfection in the paint. It's amazing quality, eh? You see all these bolts on the chrome, you see, and the door jamb. And on the door you see the rubber new, all chrome rubbers new. Yeah, and door panel on the left side. You see, brand new chrome trim. No size, I cannot see any waving. It's like brand new. It's really something special, huh? You see, no waving, everything is perfect. Fitting, rubbers, and all original. You see, no waving of the chrome trim. Ciao. Now Dennis, I'm making video like from 1 meter. You can see the only side of the car. You know, to see reflection of the paint. You know, paint is amazing. If you can see all these details, lenses. You cannot see any sign of, you know, that something is to be changed. It's like brand new. You see the chrome bumper and all this brush. So I'm going now from one side to another. I think it's good. You can see the reflection from here, and here you can see this side. You see? Then wheels. I don't know what to say. Not that it's new, it's brand new. Correct wheels, tires 205 14. You can see inner fenders. So look, the chrome trim, no sign of scratching of the paint. And look, the paint on the bottom of, you see the gaps between the body and the door. Everything is like 5 millimeters, 5 millimeters, 5 millimeters. Everywhere is correct. You can see door handles brand new. All this brand new. You can see the side. Now we're going here. brand new, no scratch of the paint, everything is like, you know, should be. I just saying what I think, do not forget. Chrome trim, amazing. Yeah, so here is the front view. You can see on here. Okay, this is inner fender, this is the rubber, all clean. In the top of the tire and front, so brand new. See, look the side of the paint, I don't know if you can see good, but it's shining and no any waves, even you cannot dream about this. Yeah, here is the light for the front left fender, so you can see. Everything is brand new. Yeah, right here. So now here is the front of the car. I don't know what to tell. So grill, brand new. This net, all this, it's like nobody touched the car, never in his life, no sign of the screws, anything. So you can see horses, no any sign of accident. You can see the chrome and top of the car. This is the bottom we make before, and on this side you can see the paint. You see? Yeah. Brand new. Gap between body and the door, the same. I don't know if you see good, it's always the same. So what I see, car is perfect. Trim, side of the car, you can see like this and like this. No waving on the paint. Car is like mirror. You see? You see? Okay, chrome. Better than you. And right wheel. So all this paint I think I make. And now we can make car on the bottom, on the floor. So then it's also, this is to put back together on the car, on the engine room. And now I'm making a video of engine room. So after I will make a photo of the VIN number and the engine, just to see how good is. If you see all these details, you see these all spots of the welding here. I don't know if you see this on the video, but car is amazing, amazing, amazing. Not new, it's brand new. Look all this, everything is new. From smallest details. You see? You see this? Every part is new. distributor. Maybe here it's the number, but I will do after with the light.
Original 6.
For the
Original è impossibile trovare, non trovare.
Wow.
Fabbrica originale, 6, LOI. Questo è tutto. Break e servofreno, dallo. Now the other side. And so here is the what he said before. You can see everything is brand new. Amazing, huh? Distributor for the oil, exhaust manifolds, cartel you can see below, frame, this for the water, every nut and bolt, it's brand new. So I think we get all this. I will make only photo now of the VIN and engine number, so you can see, and I will lose the light. Everything is brand new, brand new. Okay.